Okay, it's into the second coat, DIYs. Your first coat's the worst, really. Once you got the second coat, first coat done, easy peasy. Things go a lot smoother. Always looking for that pinhole that you need to fill. Like there's a couple there, couple of little pinholes. The second coat always gets them, because you try and brush in it, you know, you try and brush in another sort of another way when you remember. Beautiful. Whenever I've come up against a leaking shower, it is always from here down, never anywhere else. But when you're like niches have been in for a little while now, they can cause a little bit of a leak if you're not careful. But walls weren't even waterproofed. They haven't been, it hasn't been in that long, that walls have to be waterproofed. They never were. You never had leaking showers all over the place. It's always 200 mil up, down, if you dig what I mean, what I just said then.
Is that cornice coming off?
Hey, no, you're right, mate.
Is that cornice coming down?
I just clicked off then because I had the painter asking me a question about the cornice. I'm not the bloke to patch the ceiling and that sort of thing, but it all needs patching. See that split there? That's all got to be patched. It's got to be patched and painted, retaped. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, I'll zap those zap those walls in a sec. Beautiful, tell you, Mum.